Hello and welcome back to my Python in 60 seconds tutorial. Today we'll be going over the basic print function. So you can see right here that you can call print by just typing out print and then putting parentheses right next to it. Then you're going to want to put quotes and type whatever you want to type. Here I'm just going to type, hello, I am new to Python. And when I run it, basically I can run by clicking shift return and it'll run and it'll output, hello, I'm new to Python. You can also do numbers. You can print numbers without having to put quotes. And also you can print two things at once. So I'm going to print hello and then comma 4. So you can see that I'm printing both things at once and they just show with a space in between. Now, if you try to print a print function, what's going to happen is something weird. First, the print inside the print function will execute and the 4 will be printed. Then if you print another print function, it'll return none. Now we're going to try this with another number and we're going to do none. And so you can see that none is the same thing as the print function. Thank you.